I got information by junior 3D animator employee who are worked in DQ Entertainment from 8 to 9 years experience 3D animators. How to work DQ senior animators? I will explain. Now DQ Entertainment is closed. DQ senior animator went to other company and spread other 3D animation company. Now they are a team leader. Some are a supervisor. Some are a manager. Some are a director as working different company. DQ senior 3D animator became team leader, supervisor, manager, director. They are making group talking work 14 to 16 hours by 3D animator on the name of the target, point, second and productivity. Any junior 3D animator question asked working time. DQ senior 3D animator group targeting junior 3D animator. One by one insulting junior 3D animator. Point, second and productivity. 3D animator working 14 to 16 hours. It is compulsory, otherwise you left job. Team leader, supervisor, manager and director all of 3D animator is a DQ senior 3D animator. File is not approved. Every time discouraging and insulting on the floor. 3D animator 14 to 16 hours. That much work taking. Work is not completing every day. Team leader short allotted. Supervisor complaining to manager. Junior 3D animator not working. Manager asking junior 3D animator, why you work not finishing? Junior 3D animator said, I doing my work, supervisor not checking till evening 7 pm. Supervisor is time passing. I force check my file. Supervisor is not checking my file. Manager said, supervisor 3D animator file checking on time. Supervisor said, okay sir. Supervisor came and saw my file. Supervisor said, redo. Redo means first to start work. So, my work is not complete. Supervisor first insulting and harassing, discouraging. After 3D animator said to manager. Manager said, you do not say any reason. I want only work. They are team leader, supervisor, manager, director. They are a DQ senior 3D animator. 3D animator give to complaint company owner, HR. HR talking to team leader, supervisor, manager and director. Do not take that much time from by 3D animators. Team leader, supervisor, manager and director said to HR, you do not enter my work. We are working my duty. HR said, more than 9 hours taking work from 3D animator. It is not your work. Team leader, supervisor, manager, director. They all said to HR, how to complete shots. 3D animators 14 to 16 hours working is a compulsory. All 3D animation company doing like this. Otherwise work is not complete. HR said, 3D animator asking overtime payment. How to manage this? Team leader, supervisor, manager and director said, this is not our work. You do your work. HR said, yes, I am doing my work. Why you taking work from more than 9 hours? Explain. This is my work. Any government person came and checking our company. Company license will be removed. Make a criminal case on our company. 3D animator exploitation case. Team leader, supervisor, manager and director said, we are employees in this company. We are not power. We are responsible only complete short targets. HR said 3D animator quit a job. Where from I bring 3D animators? It is already 3D animator shortage. 3D animator is not coming for working. Even work from home also. You are taking work from 3D animator 14 to 16 hours. Even work from home also. We are not paying OT also. You are doing like this. HR also nothing doing. Do not have power in HR. Company owner, CEO also do not have power. Company all power control in team leader and supervisor, manager and director. 3D animator is a not complaining to HR, CEO and owner. 3D animator working as a like scary girl. 3D animator not having daring to ask OT. 3D animator working like as a bonded labor.